In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a weekly to-do list in Clickup. It's a simple yet powerful way to organize your tasks and make sure you stay on track throughout the week. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Clickup website. If you're not familiar with Clickup, it's a comprehensive app designed to handle all your work activities in one place. This includes task management, time tracking, goal setting, and much more. It's known for its flexibility and user-friendly interface, which is why it's such a popular choice among users looking to enhance their productivity. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to log into your account. Click on the login button, which you'll usually find at the top right corner of the page. If you haven't used ClickUp before, you'll need to sign up and create an account. Assuming you have an account, you can proceed by signing in. A convenient way is by selecting the Sign in with Google option. It simplifies the login process if you already use Google services. After clicking this option, you'll be prompted to select your Google account from the list. Choose the account linked with your ClickUp profile. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the ClickUp dashboard. This is where you'll manage and organize your tasks. Locate any of your existing lists. A list represents a group of related tasks. Click on the three-dot menu icon which appears next to the list title. This action will present you with additional options. Navigate to Templates, a feature within ClickUp that facilitates the reuse of task structures. Choose Browse Templates to explore available templates. In the search bar that appears, type the keyword weekly to specifically filter templates that can help map out your tasks on a weekly basis. You'll see a selection of templates designed for weekly planning. Take a moment to browse and consider which template fits your style and workflow. Once you've identified a suitable template, click on it and select Quick Use. This button allows you to quickly implement the template into your workspace without any complex steps. After importing the template, look for the Weekly Planner section. Click on it so that you can begin editing and tailoring it to meet your needs. You might want to change specific task names, adjust deadlines, or add notes to personalize your new weekly to-do list. The template is completely customizable, allowing you to make it as detailed or as simple as you prefer. And there you have it, a fully functional weekly to-do list in ClickUp, ready to help you navigate your tasks with clarity and precision. Now you can focus on what matters, knowing you have a well-structured plan to guide your week. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.